Hey guys, and welcome to the Working Money Channel. I got XRP up here on the daily right now. XRP trading at just about 40 cents. It's just been hovering around this area, 0.399, 0.400. So right now it is at 40 cents on the dot. XRP slowly grinding up. I mean, it is, looking like one of the better cryptocurrencies right now. If we just compare this to the total altcoin market, let me just zoom out on the altcoin market here. So let's just take a look at the broader picture of altcoins for a second here. Firstly, it's good that we're seeing this level hold. Okay, the altcoin market did get decimated this month because of the Sam Bankman-Fried FTX debacle, and so we did come back down into this level of support that we saw back in June of 2022. We basically touched down there, and now we're slowly making our way back up. Again, it is a bit of a grind. Let me just delete that. I'm going to bring up a price tool here, but you can see compared to the rest of the altcoins, XRP is faring quite well. If I just take a look at the total 2 market cap here and we take a look at altcoins, we can see altcoins are up roughly 13.3% since that most recent downturn. Also note too that the level here did touch down pretty much exactly to where we saw the altcoin market find support back in June. So essentially at the exact same level here of about 429.6 billion. If we compare that to XRP, so again, that is the total market cap. Comparing that to XRP now, that same low that we saw back in June was down and around here. And so if I were to put a horizontal line down and around there, XRP price was at 287.287. But take a look at how well XRP did rebound. If I throw another horizontal line there, you can see at the end of the FTX debacle, we did still maintain a price of around 31.5 cents. So higher than that former low, the low that formed back in June. And if you take a look up here, what did I say, 13 and a bit? XRP has increased about 27.3% since that most recent low. So not only was that low higher than the June 2022 low, we've also actually seen more appreciation for XRP compared to the rest of the cryptocurrency market. So guys, this is looking to be very, very positive for Ripple and XRP. And so just kind of continuing a little bit with that story from yesterday with the Coinbase wallets, citing low usage for certain cryptocurrencies, including XRP. They said that they were going to discontinue certain wallets. And if you guys didn't catch that video, I will link it up here in the top right-hand corner. Some imply, this one from DJ Peter Vass, some implies no one uses Coinbase wallets, slams Coinbase for insinuating XRP has low usage. So the Some Wallet guys are coming out combating what Coinbase is implying here. XRP Ledger native wallet Some claps back at Coinbase for insinuating that XRP has low usage. Some Wallet responded to the decision of Coinbase Wallet to end support for XRP in a tweet yesterday, implying that no one was using Coinbase Wallet in the first place. So an update to this story, guys. In response, native XRP Ledger wallet Some asserted that Coinbase was experiencing low usage because holders had switched to the Some wallet. Touting its strength, the non-custodial wallet for only XRP Ledger tokens welcomed all remaining XRP holders. Sorry, but not sorry, Coinbase, as they state here. That's because everyone is using Some, more secure, no telemetry, better support, ecosystem interaction, and feature complete. Some reported XRP holders, we welcome you. So Some taking this opportunity to, attract some potential XRP holders who were still holding some of their XRP at Coinbase. They also made a point to state that XRP does not have low usage, not at all. I mean, it is the 7th largest cryptocurrency by market cap. Even down here, they say they boast a 24-hour trading volume of nearly $1 billion. So, again, it's how you spin things. Just because, maybe people weren't using Coinbase for custody, it gives Coinbase the opportunity to take a look at the metrics and be like, oh, look, low usage. I guess we are going to discontinue these wallets. And then they put out a statement. And of course, it reads a different way than what the reality is of the situation. So I'm glad Some came out. I'm glad that somebody's clearing this up. And I wanted to thank DJ Peter Vass as well for posting that. Another one from DJ Peter Vass here. Flare has announced Binance support for the FLR airdrop to XRP holders. So a bit of an update, guys, for your FLR tokens. And if you did, in fact, custody on Binance, the world's largest exchange by daily trading volume, has confirmed its support for the recently announced January 9th, 2023 FLR airdrop distribution to eligible XRP holders on the exchange. This confirmation follows the exchange's announcement on supporting the airdrop 2 years ago when the token was still called Spark. The Flare Networks team disclosed the development through an official tweet and a press release. So guys, here is the tweet. Flare Networks did tweet this out. Binance has confirmed that they will provide FLR Flare token distribution to eligible customers on the 9th of January 2023. According to a media press release, Binance confirmed that it would distribute eligible XRP holders on the platform with the first 15%. So we got to remember that it is going to be coming out in stages, guys. 15% first, and that's not just from Binance, that's for everybody, of the FLR token distribution. According to the Flare team, the distribution will occur at this ratio, 0.1511 Flare for 1 XRP held at the time of the snapshot. And if you guys did not participate in the snapshot on December the 12th, 2020, you will not be receiving the airdrop. This means that customers who had XRP on their Binance balance at the time of the snapshot on December 12th, 2020 will receive 0.1511 FLR for every 1 XRP token. So there you have it, guys. Binance is going to participate, and considering Binance is the largest exchange on the planet, at least as of now, and I believe it was back then, I'm sure a lot of you guys were custodying XRP, or at least maybe a portion of your XRP on the Binance exchange. Another one here, guys, from Michael Branch too, just with relation to the Flare airdrop that is coming up next month. They also did release a list of exchanges supporting the FLR airdrop for XRP holders. So I will link this in the description for you if you want to check. But here is a list of some of the exchanges: Binance, OKX, Kraken, which will also support FLR staking and trading, Nexo, KuCoin, Huobi, Gate.io, Bitfinex, BITRUE, Crypto.com, Bitstamp, Bithumb, Upbit, OKCoin, MEXC Global, Poloniex, Uphold, Bitso, CEX.io, GateHub, Probit, iTrust Capital, Liquid, BTC Trader, and Bitcoin Meester. And so Japanese exchanges down here, there are a few others, and exchanges yet to confirm. Here are a list of some more, guys. And again, I know some of you guys did custody on the Ledger Nano, but if you did custody on an exchange, or if you did have a balance of XRP on one of these exchanges, you will be receiving the FLR Flare tokens once that airdrop occurs. And now the new date here is January the 9th, 2023. So hopefully that doesn't change. Hopefully that is the final date. I know a lot of us have been waiting and waiting and waiting for almost a year now for our Flare tokens. I'm going to keep moving, guys. Keyrock has secured a $72 million Series B funding round from a few partners, including Ripple. So Six, Ripple, and Middle Game Ventures pumped $72 million into Keyrock. Since its launch in 2017, Keyrock has become a global liquidity provider to over 85 trading venues, both centralized and decentralized. In the past year, the firm has expanded into 200 new markets and has seen threefold growth in terms of trading volume, while the overall market shrunk by 50%. Keyrock CEO Kevin DePatul said the firm will use its funding to invest further into infrastructure development, scalability tools, as well as regulatory licensing across Europe, the US, and Singapore. And guys, here's a quote: "The new round of funding allows us to dramatically accelerate executing our vision to provide liquidity solutions for all digital assets," he says. "By doubling down on our focus on clients and scalability, we will be looking to expand into new markets with targeted services." So these guys provide liquidity. One of their funders is Ripple. You see where I'm going with this? Okay, let's keep going here. Earlier this year, Keyrock doubled the size of the workforce globally to over 100 employees. It is looking to double the number again in the upcoming year, despite the bear market and hiring freezes across the crypto space. So what that tells me, not a flash in the pan, a crypto company to be paying attention to. Also focusing on global liquidity, providing 85 trading venues, both centralized and decentralized, the ability to leverage liquidity. And guys, Ripple, one of those partners that contributed to this investment. So who knows, maybe XRP will be part of this deal in the future. Wanted to thank Mike for posting that. Larry Fink, the CEO of BlackRock, has also come out predicting that the majority of existing cryptocurrency companies will fail after the FTX collapse. Now, if you guys didn't catch the video I did this morning with the most recent FTX, or rather Sam Bankman-Fried interview, I will link this morning's video up here in the top right-hand corner. I pretty much touched on the highlights, gave some opinions, and some other thoughts with regards to what's going on, in relation to that interview specifically, but how that has extended to the crypto space and how the mainstream is framing everything. Well, this is part of the narrative too, okay? Courtesy of XRP Crypto Wolf here on Twitter. So this is what Larry Fink is saying. Now, keep in mind, BlackRock, a partner of the World Economic Economic Forum, also one of the biggest investment management firms on planet Earth. So BlackRock CEO Larry Fink has predicted in quotes, the majority of cryptocurrency companies will fail during his recent appearance at the New York Times Deal Book Summit. Fink also revealed that the world's largest asset manager invested $24 million, which is a drop in the bucket, by the way, for a company this large, into the embattled FTX exchange. BlackRock marked the sum down to zero following the collapse of the exchange. So, like Kevin O'Leary, these guys are writing it off. When asked about the FTX debacle, Fink refused to speculate on whether or not BlackRock was misled by the failed crypto exchange. Yeah, considering FTX was also a World Economic Forum partner, and considering what has been coming out, and considering SBF has been doing the rounds, despite the fact that historically any lawyer would say no, stop, don't do this, makes you wonder again, is this all being contrived to form a particular narrative? And Larry Fink now saying, well, we're not going to talk about if we feel like we were misled or not. Yeah, all things that make you go, until we have more facts, I will not speculate, he says. Speaking of the state of the economy, Fink predicted, though, that inflation would drop, but interest rates will still remain high. In 2020, Fink said that Bitcoin could evolve into a global market after criticizing the cryptocurrency in the past. Earlier this year, Salim Aramji, global head of ETFs and index investments at the investment titan BlackRock, said that the company was bullish on blockchain since the technology has the potential to make financial markets more efficient. Considering Larry Fink is now coming out and saying most companies will fail, yet we have it on the record, their global head of ETFs have said the company is bullish on blockchain, obviously also on cryptocurrency companies that will make finance more smooth, i.e. Ripple, RippleNet, the XRP ledger, and the XRP cryptocurrency. So an indication of where the money is going to go. Also, guys, let's not forget, this sentiment echoes exactly what Brad Garlinghouse has been saying since 2018, if I'm not mistaken. So we've got two World Economic Forum partnered companies saying the same thing about the cryptocurrency industry as a whole. Again, more reason to invest in the coins that solve problems and not the hype coins, guys. BondCrypt XRP also posting this. Okay, with regards to CFTC Commissioner Christy Goldsmith Romero, she's proposing a two-tier regulatory system. So different crypto rules for retail investors and millionaires. The CFTC chief has proposed that average crypto investors should get different protection from professional and high net worth individuals. In remarks prepared for a conference in Singapore, Commodity Futures Trading Commission Commissioner Christy Goldsmith Romero said the current regime's definition of a retail investor is too broad, covering everything from average households to millionaires and hedge funds. She proposed that the CFTC should have two categories for retail customers so that additional protections can be targeted to each group. So basically wanting to create a two-tiered system, putting limits on retail, but, allowing institutional investors and millionaires, high net worth individuals to invest a whole lot more. That's, to be fair, that's regulation that we've seen in all financial markets, but essentially that's what they want to do. They want to limit the small guy, which will essentially make it a lot easier for them to line their pockets. What is safe and affordable for a millionaire or hedge fund is likely to be very different for the regular person who wants access to markets but cannot afford to lose everything, she said. So, it does make sense. It's par for the course, I think, of, what we're going to see in cryptocurrency moving forward. Let's just hope that the regulations for the retail investor aren't going to be so stringent that it's basically going to choke us out of making any kind of money whatsoever. And also just thinking about this a little more, it might actually be better to have like a 3 or 4 tier system because not all retail investors are created equally, right? Having $500,000 worth of assets is different than having $30,000 worth of assets, is different than having $10 million worth of assets. So I don't know. There could be some nuance in here. This is just kind of, preliminary stages of this kind of thing. But considering what we're seeing, guys, and considering how well XRP has been behaving despite this crash, there are a few people in the XRP community that have noticed some positive things with regards to XRP and the potential price move. Again, we got to put this on the backdrop of a landmark case coming our way very, very soon. The verdict in the Ripple SEC case I think is going to dictate not just XRP price and, especially if that is a very positive verdict, how much money will be pouring in to XRP and other similar cryptocurrencies, but also that knowledge, right, that now I think a lot more people are acknowledging XRP is a future-ready cryptocurrency, ready to solve problems, and the company Ripple that uses it exclusively only keeps growing and growing and growing. So I saw this from Crypto Insight UK here on Twitter, guys. Below are measured moves XRP has made in the past, from lowest to highest. Now tell me why it can't do this again. Is it because you're emotional about it? We use the same TA for all charts. History may not repeat, but normally rhymes. How and if this happens, I don't know, but he says, and then he posts the chart here, just giving us some measured moves. And again, guys, this is by no means, a scientific calculation of where XRP can go, but we have seen it happen in the past. And yes, again, these are all under very different circumstances. However, a positive SEC Ripple verdict would also be under unusual circumstances. So, I mean, is a $4.08 XRP out of the question? Absolutely not. What about a $6.34 XRP? Probably not also. How about a $31 XRP? Well, I mean, we know David Schwartz has always said the price of XRP needs to be high to fulfill some of these enterprise-grade transactions that Ripple plans to target in the future. So a $31 XRP, perhaps a start. And if XRP goes up another 71,000% from the low that we're seeing now, similar to the low that we saw back in 2017, the price of XRP could be upwards of $296 per coin. At least when you compare some of the measured moves from 2017 and place them on the chart today using the relative prices of 2022. Let me keep moving, guys. Eggrag Crypto on here. XRP market cap dominance percent, okay? So he has been analyzing this, and as you guys know, back in September, we did see a significant pump for XRP. It has helped the price of the cryptocurrency quite a bit. 6th of September 2022, post stated about a bullish breakout. So far, it is still playing out as expected. So we did see that bullish breakout. He is hoping to see a 3%, then 6% move, and then eventually a 26.84% move, similar to what we saw in the past. Currently, I'm still in a very positive stance that after hitting 3% dominance, we will hit the 6%, and the 27% market cap dominance is inevitable but not imminent. So, he's saying it will happen, probably not right away. And then he just retweeted out this tweet here from September 6th when he posted that before that XRP pump that we saw back in September. And he also posted this too, okay? Another interesting analysis of the XRP market cap. XRP market cap at $3.7 trillion. Now, hear me out here, because right now, if we scroll down here, we can see that the market cap for XRP is at about $20.2 billion only. So the market cap of XRP alone would have to surpass that of the total market cap in the bull run of 2021. So this could still be a ways away, and it would consider, a positive SEC verdict. So it would have to be kind of a perfect storm event. Again, it wouldn't just happen overnight like that. The SEC positive verdict, money would have to flow in. We'd also have to see a bull run. I'm assuming he's projecting for this to be at least a year in the future, if not a couple of years in the future, when the market sees a shift, when there has been regulatory clarity, when institutions now finally feel comfortable to put their money back into cryptocurrency. So he says, if XRP market cap follows the W pattern, the number 5 pattern here, which we're already seeing, guys, on the chart, then XRP market cap formation from a TA perspective is going to go to $3.7 trillion. Again, that number seems very high today, but when you consider what else is happening in the space and where money could flow to, it might not be so far-fetched. XRP formation is so far aligned for almost 70% with this W pattern number 5. So we're already seeing it, guys, playing out here. If you take a look to the left of this chart here, he is focusing in on this W5 pattern. There's a lot of different types of W patterns, and we are seeing this particular one play out right now on the chart. So what does he say? Help me do the math for XRP price if this does in fact play out. Well, XRP Guru decided to bring this up, okay, marketcapof.com. And he popped the numbers in here, okay, for XRP. First of all, we are considering that the circulating supply will be the same as it is today. Chances are this will happen in the future, so this circulating supply might actually be larger. And if we see the market cap at $3.7 trillion, what he is suggesting is that we could see an XRP price, guys, of $74 per coin. So if in fact we do see this same W5 pattern playing out, and we do eventually see a $3.7 trillion market cap for XRP, again guys, this is going to be a perfect storm scenario, but a $74 XRP cryptocurrency could be in the cards. That's just my opinion, but I want to hear what you guys think. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Like the video if you like the content I'm providing. I always love hearing your comments. See you in the next one, guys.